Business owners often tell me, oh, I already have SOPs. And then 2 minutes later, they'll also say, but my team still keeps calling me for everything. Let's clear this up today. SOPs are not systems. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. It's basically a written document that explains how a particular task should be done. For example, if you run a cafe, you might have an SOP that says, here's how to make a cappuccino. These beans, this milk, foam it this way, serve it in this cup. That's helpful, but on its own, it's not enough. A system is much bigger. An SOP tells you how to do the task. But a system also decides things like who will follow that SOP, at what time they should do it, what inputs are needed before that SOP even comes into action, how much time it should ideally take to complete, and who it goes to next once that step is done, and how the entire work of that SOP gets recorded. That's the difference. SOP is the how. System is the whole structure around the how. Let's stick with the cafe for a moment. An SOP will tell the barista how to make the cappuccino, step by step, no problem. But a system goes further. It also defines things like exactly what portion of beans and milk should be used for 1 cup, how much time it should take, 3 minutes, not 10, what happens before the cappuccino is made, like billing, or after, like clearing the order from the counter. Who is actually responsible for preparing it and who checks it before it's served? And finally, how it gets recorded. Was this cappuccino entered into the daily sales log or not? That's the difference. An SOP is just the recipe. A system makes sure that that recipe is connected to resources, time, people, quality checks, and reporting. If you just write down SOPs, yes, it will give you clarity about how the work should be done. But it's not enough. You have to tie it into a system. An SOP is simply one tool you use while setting a system. If you make an SOP without a system around it, your team might still come back to you with questions. Or sometimes they won't ask you anything at all, but you will notice problems creeping in. The cappuccino is being made with inconsistent portions. It takes one barista 3 minutes and another barista 10 minutes. Nobody is checking the quality before it goes to the customer, and suddenly errors and delays start rising. And that's why it's so important to understand the difference between an SOP and a system. So don't confuse the two. SOPs are important, but they're just incomplete unless they're tied into a system. Systems are the structure that makes sure those instructions are followed properly, consistently, and without needing you to step in. That's the difference between a business that is person-dependent and one that is system-driven. If you have liked what I've been talking about, please keep watching these videos. You know there's lots more where that has come from. See you in the next one.